Humans and monkeys both have a great deal in common. For instance, both species will do anything to protect, love, and adore their offspring. After all, babies and toddlers are little angels sent to Earth to cheer up us stupid, boring, drab adults. It's so true. Babies, no matter the species, depend on their mamas for everything. Which leads me to ask this question. Would you be able to give up your baby in the name of science? Well, we are not that far removed from a time when we did. In fact, in the 50s and 60s, barbaric tests and studies were conducted on babies separated from their mothers. This is so terrible. And to learn what? That babies are miserable without their mothers? No shit, Sherlock. That ain't the Gerber baby. Flash forward to 2014, where presently, as in right now, the University of Wisconsin-Madison is conducting horrible, evil, gross, and disgusting mother deprivation tests on monkeys. That's right, the same stupid test that Harry Harlow introduced to us in the late 50s, early 60s, where he took baby monkeys away from their mothers to show what we already learned from the evil experiments that were done on human babies. What the fuck, says this monkey? This is an evil schmuck known as Dr. Ned Kalin. He has single-handedly revitalized Harry Harlow's cruel experiments and added a twist. Now he's going to expose baby monkeys to live snakes and other things to terrify them. Then, he's going to kill and dissect their brains before their second birth. Why? So we can determine if being ripped away from their mothers and being terrorized by snakes will cause these baby monkeys anxiety and depression? And FYI, this is all coming out of our pockets. That's right, our tax money is going to fund this barbaric bullshit. Animal experimentation must end, especially experimenting on babies. Don't just sit there, do something. Right now, click on the link below in the video description and sign the petition.